The retail price of all grades of petrol went up by 41 cents per litre in South Africa, whilst diesel saw an increase of almost 18 cents. The reasons for the hike were blamed on the weakened rand-dollar exchange rate during the period between the 27th of December 2012 and the 31st of January 2013. Now, although there has not been any indication as yet from the Energy Ministry, history has taught us that fuel will most likely also go up soon in Namibia if it happens in South Africa. Here are a few ways that rising fuel prices will affect you. Travel. Eventually, public transport operators such as taxis, buses and planes will have to go up, and if you are driving, you will have to fork out more to pay for petrol or diesel. Consumer spending. Given more of your budget will be dedicated to traveling, you will most likely have to cut down on your spending. Food. For supermarkets to continue making profits, they will have to pass on the fuel cost burden to the consumer. Here are a few easy ways to better fuel consumption. Use less air conditioning. Rather stick to traditional ways of simply opening the windows. Reduce your speed. As speed increases, fuel economy decreases exponentially. So avoid being late, manage your time well so you don't need to rush. Lastly, drive less. You don't need to drive to a grocery store or any other place that's less than 5 minutes away. Simply take a walk. Kuda Chisweto Brand, reporting for the news on One.